guys, today we're making paneer or cheddar. It's very easy to make, so let's begin on how to prepare this. 1 litre of full fat milk or whole milk. If you're using whole milk, add 1 cup of milk powder. This helps to get a decent size of paneer out. And lemon juice. Or you may use white vinegar. Firstly, in a pot, mix your milk and your milk powder. Mix. Now turn off the flame and then stir it until it comes to a boil. After when it came to a boil, add your lemon juice. Then give it a mix. Turn it onto a low flame. Add as much as required so it breaks into clumps, like this. We have turned off the flame and we're just going to mix it for a minute. And cover it for 1 minute. So we have a bowl and we're going to place a sieve over it and a clean cloth. And then you'll need cold water. Pour in your paneer and let the water drain out of it. Now you're going to wash it with your cold water. Now washing it with cold water will get away the lemon taste or the vinegar taste, whichever you used. Then gather your cloth and squeeze out the excess water. So here we have our simple homemade paneer. In our upcoming videos we'll be using this recipe, so you can look back at this video. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye.